So tell me why? Why do we need Ritika maybe to write the code if AI is already writing the code? Maybe better than Ritika? So why do we need her? Or why do we need Sanjana if AI can directly just create a creatives for me?
Like, just wondering around that I know AI today can write a code and generate a UI too.
Yes.
But I think isn't that like the easiest part of doing things? Like we can do a person can use AI, do things, and then a part which is done for like months can be done maybe in week. That is true. We can use AI as a leverage, but we can't just replace humans with AI. Um, as in, if like giving some reasons, I would say that people understand why we are building a thing and
Okay.
what we are building, what will be the use case for it, like how will the actual user will use it, and more such cases. But the AI can't do that. Like the AI will not remember what we have built, like why we have built the architecture like this for like 5 months ago we have built something. The AI will probably not remember the user flow what we built and something, but the human will remember the context out of it, the user flow out of it, and many things.
So if tomorrow we got an agent for the context management as well,
Mm-hmm.
then what's the use of Ritika?
Okay.
Because currently we have the context of maybe 100K tokens, right?
Mm-hmm.
The AI can do that much. So tomorrow if I get something which can understand the entire context of a project,
Mm-hmm.
then why? Because anyway, the AI is context aware now. And as
I
we are
get
using it, it will be more context aware tomorrow, day after tomorrow. It will be more and more useful. It will be more and more understanding like what to do, what not to do. So
I
where is
totally accept your point and totally believe with that point as well. That it will be more context aware, it will be more better with time, and on the very same time, people will be more better too. People will learn the AI, like many kinds of AI are present today in today's like maybe lovable, replit, and so on. Like which does so many other works, and we can use all of that. So like I would say people who use AI would be much more better than people who doesn't and the AI alone. Because at the
yeah.
end we do need human interventions to
Uh,
AI that the AI can know what to build and kind of things.
it's
Somehow,
like an engine, like a AI is like an engine where we are the author, where we are the conductors. I say we are the train driver or something. So AI is an engine. So how we drive the train or something, it goes like that. So if we control it, if it controls like a brake or something or something, so that the way the AI also control it. So the way the interactions goes with the first interaction is also in human. So I think VRL is the main thing of the engine. So without a driver, we cannot do an train goes with like that. So like that. So even a human interaction is also need. So we cannot replace an UIC. I can design a tons of an UI or variants component like that, but in that way I can suggest an AI like a design me or something which UI and UX and can fix. But in that I suggest in a way that is it useful for an user empathy, or is it useful for an user which may decide a like a clutter, or is it user may get any confused or something. So I decide in that way. But AI can decide only like with a beautiful screens, all that, and where it also gives and which are the main important things. But even the tiny like if we say search button, the main subheading is like a search for that. But in below the search icon and the below the what is the reason of that search button, so what you're doing for that search button. So I need like I'm searching for documents which are like that example. So even I can also think in that way, but AI cannot do that way. Like it's in emotion, it doesn't have any emotion of that empathy, we call it
Okay.
as. Yeah.
But if you see that empathy and everything is coming out of some sort of knowledge, which a psychologist may be saying.
Hmm.
So if I make an agent, okay, which
Yeah.
takes the psychological thing of every button, then I create an agent which will design for me. Then again, I create an agent as per that psychology, which will design for me. Again, as per that design, I make an agent which will code for me. Again, I make an agent which can maybe deploy the project and it will
But
keep track of the server. Then again, like which you saying that AI is an engine, right? We are the
again we have.
drivers. So in future, how we are driving it? That's the question that I'm asking. Like what? What is that we are having as a leverage which AI is not having? If you say like, one thing, if AI is going, it can do everything, right? Currently also it can do everything. It's just that there are some people who don't know how to use it. Currently we know how to use it, so we are using it. Maybe day after tomorrow, or maybe next year, next 2 3 years, it will take. But at that time, now the AI understands what I want, right? Even the coder needs what the coder needs, what the designer needs. Now, at that time, what is the differentiation between me and the AI? Because at that time, now AI knows what I want. So it can do everything which I am supposed to do. So now, at that time, why we need a human over there?
To guide AI. Like, I completely agree that AI can do things and all of that. But at some point, we do need human interventions because we know, uh, like an agent, for suppose we build an agent which does some things. So suppose we like take an example of anti-gravity or chat GPT-2. It does like according to our prompts, it does things. But at a point when we like rigorously ask questions to it according to the same topic, it does hallucinates and gets confused a lot, which will I guess improve at that time too. But it will still hallucinate, and you know that we need intervention. And okay, bro, we are not we don't want this, we want this or something like that. So the people who will like knows will like upgrade with time and know how to build all these agents and make use out of it will definitely outgrow and take the best use of AI and do things. But at the end, like people will not do this and will not use some this all technology will lag behind. But again, like the at like it's like a circle back moment. I would again say that AI would not be able to replace.
No, I'm not saying it will replace you.
Okay.
I'm just saying, where are we in that case? The way you said, like hallucination. This is the problem, or you can say this is a bug in the system, which will be
Mm-hmm.
solved by maybe Meta, by maybe Amazon, by maybe Google, somewhere, because they know this thing. So they will solve this issue. So after that, again, this is solved. So suppose if AI is so perfect, we made it perfect. Where are we in that scenario? What are we doing with that? Why still we need maybe Kanhaiya Pandey, maybe Sanjana, maybe Ritika? Why?
Because at the end, we do need someone now for an end-to-end system. Okay, let me go this way. I would say earlier What happened was people who know some basic knowledge of tech goes into tech industry and do the job. For now, people who wants to enter into tech has to know knowledge of various things, from coding to how to sell a product, how to pitch a product, how to like maybe discuss with clients, and many more such things. So we came as a human, we can have like different things which we are providing it to the client, maybe because the company who needs a product will not set up a agent and do like give several thousands of money investing to an agent, like accountability what we called for. Like if anything fails, people are to be blamed for, not AI. That is the part I think that we need human too, and some kind of accountability and responsibility is what we hold as a person.
This is like, no, because suppose I bought a bulb today and there is no light. Do we need human for that to make somebody accountable?
Actually, we do, because we generally blame that, okay, fine, the department is not doing the work and something, something. So we do at the end,
It's
somewhere,
fused.
or
It's fused. Now I have to get some new. I have to fix it. That's it. There is no need for somebody to say like, oh, this person have to be accountable for that thing.
but bulb
And
getting fused and software getting down, they are two different things, like, in general.
this is what you said is just an machine only, right?
Mhm.
Machine is
But
not working.
at the
But there
end,
must be a reason now for that machine to not work. For suppose you have a brilliant website going on, a
Yeah.
new maybe AI comes and you have given the prompt, okay, I know I want this change, please do it. And if an AI does that, it is there are higher chances that people can also fail and do bugs into that, and AI can also fail and do bugs into that. But at the end, we can't like teach an AI that bro, you are accountable for that bug.
I've I know you are an AI student only, right?
Yes,
So there is an algorithm called reinforcement learning
correct.
for rewarding AI if he is doing good
Mm-hmm.
and giving minus marks if it's not doing good.
Mm-hmm.
So if I train on that, now it knows what is good, what is bad.
Maybe, correct.
Where are we fitting in that situation? That is the real question. Where are we as a human? Because we have to be somewhere. It's not like we will be gone. We are somewhere in that situation. The question is, where are we in that situation? What are we doing in that situation?
Guiding the AI what to do, leading the path somewhere.
But leaders are just, you can't have billions of leaders in a world, you know. There is no billions of leaders who is just leading the AI. But we are somewhere. So in maybe I'll say 2 or 3 years maximum, you will not have the sales job, insurance jobs, because they are just calling and, hello sir, you are gonna die, so take my insurance. So this all will be replaced by the AI
Yeah, because now we do have like AI voice agents.
agents, right? So now where are they going now after that? The product which I'm making, I don't want it, but at certain point, if it works well, there will be no use of waiters. So where are they going there? They have the humanoids robots, so there will be no use of runners to bring the food. Where are they going now? Okay. Now we had thousands of coders required to do a project. Now we can do it in 1 or 2, and in coming maybe one. in coming years? Where are they
That is
going?
a reason. Like we do need the best out of best.
So what about the people who are not the best? Where are they going? That's what I'm saying. See, at any point of time, there will be business owners who will be making money out of the robots as well. But what about the people, normal people? Where are they going? Because everyone is not a businessman. Everyone is not having the money to spend on that business. There are normal people, right?
Yes.
So where are they? That's the real question. Where are they in that situation? For deliveries, we are having the drones now. We can deliver by drones. So there is no need for the Blinkit and Zepto riders. For
If we
picking,
like
packing, we have machines.
if we will think in that way now, like
Mhm.
we will be considering that okay fine, AI is doing everything. AI is delivering food, AI is building softwares, AI is maybe like anything of any normal life things we can think of. We will see, oh, there is an AI who does this.
Yes.
But for it to run or for it to like complete, then the though I know that your point is correct, AI will do that, but for it to replace humans in the like whole world or whole country, it will take decades to do that.
I
That
am
is
saying
what
we are there. I'm not saying we are replaced. We are there. But where are we? Where are we fitting in that situation? That's the question. Like where are we in that situation? I'm not a business owner. I'm just a normal person living my life. Now the job which I was doing is been done by AI. Now what I'm supposed to do? And if everybody starts a business, then there is no need of business.
there is no user of it. Correct. We really have to think.
We replaced now? Are we replaced?
No, I would still not believe that we are replaced. Maybe
So,
I don't have points to justify my thoughts right now.
what about you, Sanjana ji?
No, just go home and do farmer thing.
See, this job will be there.
That is
Farmers
so
will
we
be
can't
there.
replace.
See, we are somewhere, like we got somewhere, right? The farmer's job is there. Although the farming can be done by the AI, but we will need farmers who owns the land, who needs to grow crops. Now there is one sort of business coming out. So farming is a business where we are there. And anything,
Maybe food industry, we know that there are AI coming up with like they can prepare food and stuff, but still the food prepared by human, the food prepared by AI are two very different
AI
things.
will be more tastier.
I don't believe that. I totally disagree with that. It will
Yeah.
be
Okay, because
like
for
the
it,
hundreds and thousands of years, people learning over time for
okay,
the food we prepare, like of thousands and lakhs of cuisines.
okay.
That AI will not be able to
You know,
have the
But
taste.
why?
AI taste and mother taste cannot be replaced.
See, now you
That
are
is so.
coming as in like my mother's love, sitting on her lap and then eating, mother feeding. That is the different
No,
thing.
no, no, no,
But
not at all sitting on mother's lap and eating the food, but the food made by mother and the food like made by any person, human being, and food made by AI. That will definitely are going to taste like very
like,
different.
see, you will add the same number of spices which you have in your home.
But at the end, like maybe if that will come now, we will
See,
go and taste the
okay,
two
that's what
different
like
things.
when I'm not living with my family, right? I live alone.
Mhm.
So now there is no need for tastes and everything. I just need the food. if I like the taste of any restaurant, then again I'll go over there because I like the taste of it. I want the same taste again.
Correct.
I don't want the difference in that taste, which can be done only through the AI because human will add somewhere more salt, less spices, somewhere some difference will come over there. So next day, if I got something difference in that, I will be like, okay, I don't want to go to that restaurant because today it was not good. Then again, I will jump to other restaurant. But if
Isn't
there, sorry.
sorry, please continue.
So if there is a restaurant which is continuously giving me same taste every day, and if I like it, then I will go over there every day. So in that case, also AI is winning.
Isn't perfection will automatically lead to a boring thing or a repetitive thing?
Yeah.
Because if you will see everything is so perfect, then where is human? Like
Yes.
where is that? Because people love sometimes of disperspect like what is it? Disperfection, or sometimes a human touch is needed in something. Because everything is perfect and good and the very same thing. Then the doing the same lifestyle and repetitively makes it boring.
Yes.
So yeah, I don't think
But
so that will.
so again, like for food industry, when somebody opens and if when you go to McDonald's, you want the same taste every day.
Mhm.
When you go to Pizza Hut, you need the same taste every day.
But we don't go to Pizza Hut and McDonald's every day. That
So
is a point now.
whenever, so whenever you are going, that's what I'm saying. Like for restaurant industry, for food industry as well,
Mm.
the AI will be like doing the things. Again, where are we in that situation?
But we will probably be sitting back and eating the food, but that's not what like
But
we want.
again, you don't have money to eat the food because you don't know where you are.
That is like what I was saying. See, what I think now that that is true that AI can probably make foods and something in future too, but they having the same good food every day, like the very same taste, the very like touch perfection of spices and mix and everything, would definitely not going to sit back on my like taste buds and something. I will not be liking it for every day. I will definitely change. And the AI, I guess, maybe it one robot or two robots. We can probably looks like same things, but different human beings.
So again, you are coming to your course, AI course you have done. So when we prepare the data set, we add some randomness into that.
That is true. We do, but see,
So
maybe I agree with your point. We do add randomness and all things, but especially like letting it, like leaving the at least the software industry, leaving software industry. But I don't believe at all that the food industry will be replaced.
I'm not saying it will be replaced, it will be there. Again, the restaurant is there. The
Mhm.
task is done by some robots. Again, where you are fitting. When you go to a restaurant, you don't ask for the who is the chef of this food. Most of the time.
Sometimes
Most of the time. You don't ask. You just go eat, come. You don't even care who is the waiter. You got the food, you eat the food, you came. So who is doing it, who is not doing it? What difference does it make? If you are going to a new restaurant, you don't even know the taste of that restaurant. You just went, ate, came back. If you like it, you will go again. If you don't, you will not.
but who will teach that AI before that?
You have the data on the restaurant. Every chef is now writing the blogs. Okay, this is my new recipe, XYZ. Everyone is blogging.
Exactly. Teaching the AI of such much cuisines will definitely do take a much longer time now. And within that time, maybe people will find some other jobs
So
to
what
maybe
job?
manage AI,
That
to
is the
maybe manage
question.
different kind of AIs.
That is the question which even I am asking. What is that job? The different job, but what is that job? The cuisines which even the new recipe is coming out of the same recipe which is available right now. Making some modification that can be done by the AI as well. If we are going to some other job, what is that job? So that people can be ready for that job. That job is coming. So we have to be prepared for that job. What's that job? Everyone is like, we will be ready by for that thing when it comes. But when it comes, what is that thing that's coming?
Probably we definitely need to do a good research on this topic.
No idea?
No,
No, not yet.
What about you, Sanjana?
no idea about it. Like, what can be replaced of that?
What can be replaced is like every monotonous thing can be replaced, which we have to do like daily repetitively. If we are doing the
But
same thing,
I don't know what job can take over. Like, if AI can comes in that, what job? Like, if we go in the farmer, it can also take an like a way like sprinkling the something like also takes off that. But I don't know. We don't know what to do if it takes on that. Like like Anthropic app, yeah, the CEO used to make in 10 days an app, and like that he came an app with that do jadoo like that. So that thing.
so we are done. There's no
We
At
job
the
don't
for
need
us
end
in the
of the
future.
day, we the humans only have the end of the questions after. Why you are doing what you are doing? Why you choose this? Why you are doing like so? At the end, humans are getting the question of that.
But
But
that thing has been already, you can train it on the reinforcement learning. It will learn automatically. The robots can stand, dance, speak. Maybe they are training for the surgery as well, so it can do the surgery as well.
okay.
yeah,
So you will like a human dancing or a AI
But
dancing? Like which one
but
would be more appealing to you?
but how can you differentiate between them? Because you don't
Really, I
know.
can differentiate between a human dancing and a robot dancing.
It will look same to you. Currently, you have the joints and everything. That's why you can say. But if you see like in China, only I had seen some videos where they were like human-like robots. They are selling robotic girlfriends, robotic boyfriends.
But still, like there will be some difference, huh, between human and AI. That's
but
why
at the end, the
As
dancing between those, like what the powers and
we
energy they are
feel that
giving, we miss that. The what robots do, so what like AI does, like human do, we miss those like with the help of an expression.
see again, do you like Arijit Singh
Oh,
or any
yes, I do.
new singer? Do you like? Like you like new singers, right? Whoever is coming new in this industry.
I too like Diljit Dosanjh.
Diljit Dosanjh, okay. Then going back, you liked Muhammad Rafi and Lata Mangeshkar. They were not using autotune. They are using autotune, the new singers. Still you
Okay,
like it.
coming back to this point, will AI be able to do like that potential of live concerts of what the singers do?
The
mhm.
Justin Bieber has already done that through the holograms. Not even the AI, through the holograms he has done that. Your
But
Modi has done that with the hologram.
like hologram is a different thing, but it is forward. Like you know, a human doing a
See,
concert and a hologram visual we are seeing are two different things.
but you can't even defend your answers that you will be there. Where are you? You can't even say.
Okay, I am like thinking of a movie. Maybe it was a Kriti Saran of robot, like in which she played as a robot. She
Mm,
Okay.
played the role of a robot,
Arun
and it
Dhawan
was
or
like which
something.
was It was with maybe Shahid Kapoor or someone.
Yeah, Shahid Kapoor and yeah, yeah, it something is there.
It does have a love story or something
Okay.
between them. That was a movie,
Loves robot.
and at the end, I would suggest you to watch that movie. At the end, the result of AI and like consequences of having an AI girlfriend or a AI robot, we'll see. Like we can actually see the output.
Okay. But again,
Like, no, I know for the question you are asking that where are we in that if like AI will do everything, where are we? Probably we do have to do some research and make our answers more stronger and to defend ourselves.
but today we are replaced. Okay. In every situation, there was one thing always ready over there. In every question, the robots were always there. Okay.
Mhm.
In every question, the businessmen were always there. And more of a businessman, the people who are doing the work for themselves or to serve the society were always there, even with the robots. So even if the robots come, there will be point like where you have to make a robot. Robots will can make themselves, but again there will be humans to make a robot to upgrade the robots. So maybe there we can fit. Maybe if the robot starts making themselves, then
That you are thinking of very far.
but that's what like if it went to that level, then there will be an issue.
We are completely doomed.
Yes, but till the time it's not over there, we are in this situation where we will be like the coding will be done, the graphics will be done, the dancing will be done, singing will be done, XYZ will be done. But we will be at a situation where we need humans to upgrade that robots. Now we have to upgrade that tech. We have the answers to everything, but now we have to look for the questions. You will get the answers, but the people are not having the questions right now. So somebody will be there to ask the questions. That is not,
Make a better AI or make a better agent. We need a
yes.
human to make an agent.
So only the curious minds will be there.
People who are eager to learn
Hmm.
and update themselves.
So we will be there who will be asking the questions, some sort of to say.
Mhm.
Then again answering those that we can feed to the AI. These normal jobs, I believe, will be done within 5 to 10 years. Whichever we are seeing right now will be done.
Let's see in future.
See, you did not even defended your questions, your answers like, okay, we will be there, we will be training. So we are just training the AIs right now. Think of it this way, like it's been more than 3 years, 3 months now. How many lines of code, literally code, like even a single loop, for loop or if loop or while loop, any switch statement, any statement is been literally written by you in that code, and the software is ready.
Yes, but like again, it will like we will we go and forth with the same thing that
Currently,
phones
we
and
are
all.
going because context window is very less. So
Mhm.
context window will increase, hallucination will be gone at that time.
Like, I would say having the knowledge of something which you are building or you are doing anything. Like maybe you are the business owner, for suppose, and you are trying to make a software or a food industry event. Like if an AI is doing that, it is good, but you should definitely have the knowledge of that to assist. Of you, like you are seeing, that, okay, fine. If the AI does this, it will disrupt my whole system. Then you should have the knowledge of that thing or that industry so that you can guide the AI maybe or help him to stop like the disruption of collapsing everything.
Then in that situation, there is no need for coders at all because
Mhm.
that will be coders or developers because the knowledge of the domain is more than me. Like the more I know, more than
Mhm.
me, the my client knows about that domain because he is using that thing. So he will just
But But
he
the
will
client doesn't know now ki what will scale. Like the client having the knowledge of business technologies and having knowledge of technical things like are two very different aspects. If I know what to build, but I don't know how to build, what to use to build that,
so again that
would need someone who knows technical something.
for
If
one
a business owner
person.
is a technical person, then
So let's say one person.
that is so it is happening now. Why companies are laying off jobs? Because we have seen that Amazon has got some kind of AI subscription or something and they have laid so many jobs. At the end, it is happening. AI is like kind of taking automation jobs.
So so which the new skill is required for us now. So as for me, I think the IoT would thing or the robotics thing will be there for some time till the time the robots does not start making themselves. We will have that sort of job, but very soon we are gonna uh, it's gonna be hard to find jobs in many domains now.
Yeah.
Like making websites, making simple websites.
Yeah, currently see the students are making first year students are like, come on, give me 2,000 rupees and I'm gonna make a website, no matter how it looks, but they can make it.
Mhm.
When we were a student, it was like, oh, just pass. First year is just to pass. Then in second year, we will think how to code.
So like yeah, of course, technology is updating. So from past till here, definitely it would. We have to find some better answers.
Think of it. Where are we gonna be? And okay, so the time is also done. So it was nice talking to you guys on this topic. Hopefully, we will get the answers to this.
We will.
Okay, then bye.
Bye.